What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. I wanted to hop on here for just a short minute and kind of share what we're in the middle of this time, for those of you that care. And if you do care, hit that like and subscribe button, mainly the subscribe button, because right now, lacking in that department, but we're doing good in watch hours and stuff. But right now we are in the middle of another project with Gus. We are making a TV mount. At least that's what I made. This is a to be continued episode, but that is the makings of our TV mount. So as many of you know, I don't throw anything away, at least if you followed me for any amount of time. So I kept some mounting brackets and stuff from the original TVs. I'm gonna show you how I integrated that, used it, had to re-engineer, and show you all, kind of give you all an idea of what this thing's gonna look like whenever we're finished and on the to be continued part, shall we say. So that metal mount right there actually bolts into the frame. Just so y'all know, for those of you that may be trying to embark on this conversion process, this whole area up here is all fiberglass, and there's no real structural rigidity for the most part to hang weight. They did have some supports here, and then also in the corners right there you can see a metal bracket, and I did suspend a 1x4, and I will have to mount the I'm gonna run another 1x4 so that I can mount the blinds. But for the TV mount part, I actually used that bracket, and I actually had to back up and punt because it was actually 2 inches too much. And whenever I closed it, it actually covered up those lights. So right now I've got it set up where it will, it folds up into the ceiling. That was today's episode, if you will. One thing, I just used gate latches. They're heavy duty. This thing is not moving. The only thing I was a little disappointed in, the piano hinge back here on this end is kind of letting a little looser than maybe what I'd like or what it should be. Might replace that in future episodes. Who knows, excuse me. So a couple of challenges we had. So I had to back up and move the whole swivel part back 2 inches, 3 inches, something like that, to try to get it to where it would not cover those lights. And the other challenge is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same paneling that I have right here, this 1/8 inch paneling, and I'm going to panel this all black. I'm just going to panel over it, trim it, and then I'm going to make 2 doors. That one will be a live door, and that one will be a fake door, just going right over this little area. Now granted, it'd be good to be able to get into that blower if I ever needed to, but over here I'm going to be wiring, probably go ahead and wire that up today just for kicks and giggles. And then that way I can actually run the TV just to see what's up, just for fun. I am gonna run another brace across here, just to support it a little bit more. I know it's a little overkill, but you know, going down the road, hitting bumps, some of these interstates, just never know what you're gonna get into. Speaking of getting into, cranked up the bus today. I knew I had a little air leak somewhere in this dash, but as you can see with all those bubbles, the doggone air leak. Anyway, just wanted to kind of hop on here and share with y'all the journey of what we've got going on. It was a good day to stay inside, at least in the bus. Got the air conditioner or heater on, excuse me. We're in Florida, and it's not supposed to get out of the 30s today for the high. So it is pretty chilly. And so I'm just kind of dinking around in here. I'm actually on vacation next week, so we're just chilling out. Actually going to go on a trip with me and my boy. You know, y'all, time is precious. They don't make any more of it. You can always get more money, but you can't get more time. And so me and my 16-year-old, we're going to bounce to Colorado, go skiing, spend some time together, and just hang out, you know. So show y'all one other little thing, and I'll call it a video. So what I'm going to do whenever I panel this, I'm going to drop this panel, and I may have to shim it, I don't know, but I'm going to take that paneling and it's going to run over, so it will hide this gas strut, the lock, anything like that. But let me show y'all if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Sorry for the shaky, amazing video. Awesome. Thank y'all for sticking with me, by the way. Oh. So it comes down. A little shaky whenever you just drop it like that, whenever you let it down though. Not bad. I don't know. We'll see how it goes running down the road. That was really the point of doing this. My wife doesn't even want a TV in here because she wants to, you know, we go camping. She wants to spend time together as family. So, but that's where we're at. I know how long trips are. You'll be able to turn a DVD on or something like that. One other thing I'll show y'all. So I've got this piece of wood. Like I said, we're going to black all this out. This black piece of trim that is hiding all the wires. Got this other piece. Got it all set up, ready to go. Gonna put it in at some point. There we go. Yep, I have to make a little 45 right there. One little side note, just because this is all a learning experience, y'all. I've got people texting me about all sorts of stuff. Just they have a bus, specifically a Prevost, and yeah, let me show y'all. So this brace right here, somebody asked me if I cut this brace. It's a seated coach, obviously, but that brace right there, my understanding is to kind of help with this air door. You know, you got the air door in and out, boom, boom, boom. It's to give a little support. So we did not take that out. So that's gonna be a little fun to try to trim out, but we did leave that bar in there. Anyway, other than that, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want some more info, I will be glad to answer any questions. Hit the comment section up. I used hurricane straps. That's what I used to make those brackets. For now, they'll probably work. I don't know. We'll see. Piano hinge bolted through, and like all that's lag bolted, and that's bolted in. And yeah, it's a little overkill. And then it's screwed into that one before, which is screwed into that. So anyway, be blessed. Have a good day. Enjoy your family. Till next time.